Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Nissan Micra ST, stock reference number 4307. The shape runs from the 11th month 2010 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a HR12 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. HR12 1.3 litre, a 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front. We have the left-hand headlight, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has two small dents. Left rear, 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. And a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.